Howdy YouTube. It's been a while. I've had a lot of crap going on between work, home, projects. It's been crazy. Trying to get back into the YouTube videos here. If you remember last year, around this time, today is July 6th, 2023. In my videos I mentioned that our Nissan, it went away, we picked up a new vehicle, blah blah blah. Well, that was my sister's car. It's no longer going to be on the channel because she hit a deer and totaled it. So she got a new vehicle, brand used, and I told you I'd make a video of it, and it is now a year later, so sorry about that, but I'll make a quick video right now for you. So there it is, a white 2019 Jeep Cherokee Latitude Plus, I believe, if I remember correctly. Very nice vehicle. It's locked right now. Only thing we've done to it is tires and CB radio that you can see. I'll do videos on that, but it's a very nice car. Oh, I'm sorry, we put a trailer hitch on it too. Did not do a video on that. I was in a hurry, and honestly it wouldn't have made a good video the way I was doing it. So yeah, but there it is. This one certified pre-owned from a local dealer, very nice dealer. I think it had 30 some or 40 some thousand miles when we bought it. It's been across country already, working the oil fields of West Texas and New Mexico. So yeah, we'll do another video later on of an in-depth walk around on this thing. It's the V6, or I'm sorry, it's not the V6, it's the 4-cylinder. So learning a little bit more about those engines. We'll see how this one turns out. So far so good. It burns a little bit of oil, but nothing crazy. But yeah, until the next video, stay crazy and have a good one, people.